Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, you should.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Thank you for being here with me today. So we are doing some laundry motivation. We are getting some laundry done today. We are tackling the laundry basket. So I am just doing some weekly laundry. I have been slacking on our laundry. I think I had like 5 loads to be done, but I managed to get like 4 loads done because of load shedding. So I just left the last load for the next day, so I completed like 4 loads. Was very happy that I managed to get most of it done. I just also decided to get it done because the weather was just perfect for laundry. So I hope that you guys also have some laundry to do so that we can tackle it together. You guys know the laundry is never ending. So this day it was such a nice laundry day for me personally. If you watch my channel, you would know that my washing machine only washes our laundry at this point. My washing machine is so old, you guys. I am so excited to get a new one. I am so ready to get a new one at this point, but anyway, if you watch my channel, you would know that my washing machine only washes our laundry, does not runs, it does not spin dry. So on this day it actually did all of that. All I had to do was just hang, fold and pack away. So it made my day so much easier. I got our laundry done so much easier. It dried faster as the weather was also just perfect. So I had an easy laundry day, thank God. I think my hands just also needed a rest from all that hand rinsing at the same time. But anyway, I hope that you guys have some laundry to do, because you know the laundry is never ending. I hope that you guys can play me in your background while we do our duties together, our chores together.
You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your lips.
You know how it goes in laundry. So so yeah, it's just me going outside to hang like the second load of our laundry. And like I said, my washing machine spun dried our laundry, so it got dried so fast, and this laundry day was just so easy. I can't wait to just get a new washing machine at this point. But you guys know that we are a family of 7 and our laundry does pile quite fast. So that's why I do really like to just keep up with it. Most of the things I do in my life is just keeping up with it. Yeah, and I know sometimes it would look like, man, this chick is just working herself to death. And no, I really just love keeping up with things so that it does not become overwhelming, and just love being a homemaker and just doing what I do for my family as well. So I managed to get most of our laundry done. I actually just went out to take it off before the weather just started to change completely. I think in this section of the video you would see that the light is not even the same. Like the lighting of this video started to change because also the weather started changing. It was about to rain outside, so I just ran outside quickly, took off all the laundry, to get it folded and also packed away. That is the fastest way of me just getting it fold and packed away. because if I just take it off and leave the basket, chances are I am not folding it immediately. So I just love to take it off, go in the room, fold it, then I know it is done and it's packed away, you know. Other than just leaving it in a basket and then I don't know when am I going to get around folding it. So yeah, I am just folding it so that I can pack it away and that my laundry basket can be empty. As I mentioned, I had like one last load that I had to do the following day, so I just wanted this to be packed away when I get to do that last load. Then this 4 loads is packed already, you know, packed away already. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and thank you for being here consistently, guys. You are the bomb.com. I cannot do it without your help. So thank you for your support and your time. Thank you for the lovely comments and thank you for all my new subbies. You are so welcome, guys. I will definitely see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.